Hey, I saw this list on a website called thetruthaboutmortgage.com and I thought it was really fascinating. So I'm making this video. I'm not sure, I haven't like researched every one of these line items here to know the actual truth of everything, but it's quite shocking. So check it out.
Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems. What we offer is better rates.